If you want this type of luxury, bounce, the health, the hydration, and just the general health of your hair to be really good, because it's nicotinous. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nelly, back with another DIY recipe straight from the kitchen. This DIY recipe is not only going to help you reduce your hair fall, reduce the amount of dandruff that you're experiencing, but it's also going to help you to regrow your hair and stimulate your hair strands so that you're able to grow more hair. This DIY recipe contains vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin A. It contains folic acid, zinc, iron, name it. But for me, the most ingredient that I love is the nicotinic acid, which helps you to reduce the dandruff specifically, hydrates your hair, strengthens your hair, and also makes sure that your hair follicles are really well moisturized. This is a leave-in conditioner that you can use from scalp to your of your hair. This is a leave-in conditioner that I've been using straight for now about like 3 months, and I am so loving the results because my hair has really massively improved in its health and it's just flourishing. So if you want your hair to have bounce, luxury, hydration, and strength, please let's jump into the making process of this recipe, and I hope that you're going to love it. And please, when you do watch it, make it for yourself, try it out, and let me know the results, of course, down below. So let's jump into the video. I'm introducing to you fenugreek seeds, which is also known as methi in most of the Indian households. This has high amounts of protein and nicotinic acid contents, which helps in reducing hair dryness, baldness, and hair thinning. It also has large amounts of lecithin, which hydrates your hair from the roots to the tips. So this is what you need in your wash days as a leave-in conditioner. So I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of the fenugreek seeds into my jar. So for those of you who want to make these ingredients like really fast, there's a powder form which I had done at home by myself by grinding the seeds in my blender, and this is like really quick. You just mix it the same way as I'm going to show you with the seeds. The powder is really smooth, and this also I can sometimes use as a leave-in conditioner or also add it to my deep conditioner. So that's another option if you want a really quick recipe done. But this one is something that you're going to have to use overnight. So I'm going to pour in about 2 cups of water into the mixture, and then after pouring the 2 cups, I'm going to stir that in. And this is something I think I must have missed a stage in my life because I love to see ingredients just mixing up, something that I really do adore. So yeah, mix that up and then close it, and let's wait until the next morning because we're doing this at night. So this goes into the fridge, and I'm getting out what I had made the previous day, which is right in the container. As you can see, this has actually by now increased in size, which is what you want to look out for when you're making your own recipe, especially when you're using the seeds. Make sure that it has doubled in size, but don't let it double too much because it will end up absorbing the liquid more than you want it to do. So let's mix that up, give it a quick mix. Next, we're going to pour it into a container by sieving it, and then keep the remaining seeds because you can always also grind those and use them as a deep conditioner as well. So this is something you don't have to throw out anything at all. So I'm going to put that in my container, which is really beautiful. It's featured rosé, and I feel like this is a hair rosé. If you love rosés, that goes in. And now I have shown you how I make it. Now I'm going to show you how I use it. So this leave-in conditioner, like I said, it's really going to hydrate your hair. It's going to reduce your hair fall. It's going to stimulate your hair follicles, and it just provides some sort of moisture that it's just beyond this world. As you can see, my curls, the only thing I've been using to refresh them after styling has been this leave-in conditioner, of course with a little bit of oil, but this has played the most part. So what I usually do every day when I'm going to bed, I just spray the product in my hair and rub it through, and I also make sure that I target the places where I'm targeting growth, like my ends, my edges, and just massage it in like so. Into many other places of my hair that needs the moisture. I'm trying to do more DIYs because my hair have been really needing a lot of nutrition and just strengthening items from my kitchen. So for those of you who have been struggling from dandruffs, dry scalp, itchy scalp, dry hair, especially with this winter, this is something that you really need to try. I'll be giving you more recipes on how you can improve on your itchiness of your scalp, but for now, look out for the deep conditioning treatment coming out soon in the next one. I'll see you in the next DIY video, and until then, can't wait to see you. Cheers to health, growth, and glow. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Hey, bye.